Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's super important for our health, vitamin D. So, let's dive right in. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in our bodies. It helps our bodies absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones, teeth, and muscles. Vitamin D is also involved in regulating our immune system, mood, and overall health. Did you know that our bodies can produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight? That's why it's sometimes called the sunshine vitamin. However, it's important to note that too much sun exposure can be harmful, so it's crucial to strike a balance. Now, let's talk about some of the health benefits of vitamin D. It can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, improve muscle function, and even boost our mood. Studies have also shown that vitamin D may help prevent certain types of cancer, like breast and colon cancer. So, how can we ensure we're getting enough vitamin D? The best way is to spend some time in the sun, but if that's not possible, you can also get it from certain foods, like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and interesting. Remember to stay healthy and get your daily dose of vitamin D. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy!